Hello and welcome to another episode of the Williams Learning Lab. In this episode I'm going to show you how to calculate the molar mass of oxygen gas, that is O2. For this you are going to need a periodic table, and I always recommend a calculator to prevent some of those simple mistakes that can lead to big problems. Alright, so I have 4 steps for calculating the molar mass. Step 1, I write the chemical formula. Step 2, I find the atomic mass of each element in that chemical formula. Step 3, I multiply by the number of atoms for each element. And then step 4, I add all of those masses together. So, since we are doing oxygen gas, let's go ahead and write that chemical formula. O2. Alright, so there's just one element in this molecule. So we have oxygen. And so we need to find the atomic mass of that oxygen. So I'm going to grab my periodic table. And for oxygen, we're going to use this one a lot in chemistry. We have 16 grams per mole for its atomic mass. Alright, so we are going to write that 16.00 grams per mole for that atomic mass. And then the next step is multiply by the number of atoms in that chemical formula. So for oxygen, the subscript 2 says we have 2 atoms. So we're going to multiply our 16.00 grams per mole times 2. And then, just out of good measure, we'll put that into a calculator. You can probably do that in your head, but sometimes when you're doing calculations, you're taking a test, you can be a little bit stressed, and so easy mistakes can happen. Alright, so we have 32.00 grams per mole. And that right there is the molar mass of oxygen gas. Guys, if you found this video helpful, would you please consider commenting, or subscribing? And until next time, have a nice day and keep on learning.